Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve problems on the article complex cube roots of unity. So see your example. If omega is a complex cube roots of unity, then show that first problem 2 minus omega second bracket 2 minus omega square is equal to 7. See a solution. Given that, right, since omega is a complex cube root of unity, so result. So we can take here omega cube equal to 1 from the article complex cube roots of unity, and second equation is 1 plus omega square equal to 0 because of complex cube roots of unity. Then we take left hand side, take LHS from the given problem, that is 2 minus omega into 2 minus omega square. So it is equal to, first bracket write 2 as it is, minus omega. So from this equation substitute for omega, its value is minus 1 minus omega square. Second bracket 2 minus omega square. Omega square is minus 1 minus omega. Similarly, so we get 2 minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus omega square. Second bracket 2 minus minus plus 1 minus minus plus omega. So it is equal to 2 plus 1 3 plus omega square, second bracket 3 plus omega. Take product, multiply by 3 first, 3 into 3 9 plus 3 omega, multiply by omega square, that is 3 omega square plus omega square into omega cube. So we get here, we can write this 9 as 6 plus 3 plus 3 omega plus 3 omega square plus omega cube. So it is equal to 6 plus, we can take 3 common from this, in bracket 1 plus omega square plus omega cube. So it is equal to 6 plus 3, we know value of this, its value is 0. Also we know value of omega cube, its value is 1. So we get 6 plus 0 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. And that is nothing but right hand side RHS, and that is what to show. We have to show value is 7, and thus we have shown that LHS equal to RHS. The solution completed. Continue second problem. Show that 1 plus omega minus omega square, its power 6 is equal to 64. Note that omega is a complex cube roots of unity. So since we know that always we can take omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0 because of complex cube roots of unity. Now take LHS, that is 1 plus omega minus omega square, its power 6. So it is equal to, we can combine 1 and omega in one bracket, 1 plus omega minus omega square, its power 6, that is equal to, substitute value for 1 plus omega from this, that is minus omega square as it is, power 6, and addition is minus 2 omega square power 6, and that means minus 2 power 6 omega square power 6. Minus 2 to the power 6 means 64 here, and omega power 2 into 6, that is 12. So 64 omega power 12 can be written omega cube, its power 4. We know value of omega cube, that is 1, its power 4. So 64, 1 to the power 4 is 1, and thus we get 64, and that is nothing but RHS, and thus we have shown that LHS is equal to RHS. Continue. Third problem. Show that 1 plus omega cube minus 1 plus omega square whole cube is equal to 0. Since always we can take omega cube is equal to 1, and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 because of complex cube roots of unity. Now take LHS, that is 1 plus omega cube minus 1 plus omega square whole cube, that is equal to 1 plus omega. From this equation its value is minus omega square whole cube minus 1 plus omega square, nothing but minus omega and its cube. So minus omega square cube means omega power 6 2 into 3, minus and minus omega cube, minus plus sign omega cube here. So minus omega power 6 can be written omega cube its power 2, 3 into 2 6, plus omega cube. So minus, we know value of omega cube, that is 1 its square, plus again omega cube 1. So minus 1 square is 1, plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 0, and that is nothing but RHS. Thus we have shown that LHS is equal to RHS. Continue. Fourth problem. Show that 2 plus omega square whole cube minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square whole cube is equal to 65. So take here LHS, that is equal to 2 plus omega square cube minus 1 minus 3 omega plus omega square whole cube. So this can be written 2 as it is, combine omega and omega square in one bracket power 3 as it is. Here write minus 3 omega as it is, and combine 1 and omega square bracket power 3. So it is equal to 2 plus omega square, its value nothing but minus 1 power 3 minus 3 omega, 1 plus omega square, its value minus omega bracket power 3. So 2 minus 1, we get here 1 its cube, second bracket minus 3 omega plus minus omega power 3, 1 cube 1 minus 3 omega minus 4 omega its cube. So 1 minus 4 cube minus 64, and this minus sign, plus 64 omega cube as it is. So 1 plus 64, value of omega cube 1. So get 1 plus 64, and that is 65, and that is RHS, and therefore we have shown that LHS is equal to RHS, right side 65. Continue. Fifth problem. Show that 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square its power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square whole cube is equal to 0. Since omega is a complex cube roots of unity, so we can take here omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Then we take LHS, 3 plus 3 omega plus 5 omega square power 6 minus 2 plus 6 omega plus 2 omega square whole cube. This can be written from first two terms. Take 3 common, in bracket 1 plus omega plus 5 omega square power 6 minus, in bracket we can take 2 common from first and third term, in bracket 1 plus omega square plus second term, that is 6 omega as it is, bracket power 3. So it is equal to 3 into 1 plus omega, its value minus omega square, plus 5 omega square power 6 minus 2, 1 plus omega square, from this equation value is minus omega plus 6 omega whole cube. So get here minus 3 omega square plus 5 omega square power 6 minus 2 into minus omega minus 2 omega plus 6 omega whole cube. 5 omega square minus 3 omega square, 2 omega square power 6 minus 6 omega minus 2 omega, 4 omega, its cube. 2 to the power 6 means 64, omega square power 6 means omega power 2 into 6, 12, minus 4 cube, 64 omega cube. We can take here common 64 omega cube, or write like this: 64 omega power 12 can be written omega cube, its power 4, 3 into 4, 12, minus 64 omega cube. So get 64, value of omega cube 1, its power 4, minus 64 omega cube 1. So get 64 into 1, that is 64, minus 64, and that gives 0, and that is nothing but RHS. Thus we have shown that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, we'll stop here. Till then, goodbye.